Hi scale guys, today we have aircraft scale pads like this with the indicator like this. This is AWS-211, and to calibrate this indicator you need press and hold set button and press on off button at the same time. Now by pressing arrows we go to parameter CO5 and press set button. Now we need to put 1 here by pressing 0 and press set button again. Now it's calibrating 0, nothing here. So it's 0, we press enter. Now we go to parameter CO6. Press set button as well. Change it by pressing 0 to 1, press set button again. Now we need to calibrate it. And I will calibrate it with 500 kgs. So by pressing total I move the digit to the left. By pressing units I move digit to the right. And by pressing 0 I go up. By pressing 10 I go down. And I need 1102. So I go down here, move to the left, go down here, and I have 1102. Like here with the 500 kgs. I calibrate this one already. You should do the same procedure with each pad. So now I need to put this 500 kg to the another wheel pad. And you need to put it in the middle. It will be more accurate when you calibrate it, put it in the middle, like this. And now we have 500 kg on this wheel pad. And I press set button. And it's calibrating. And we have 1102 calibration and calibration done. I press set button as well. We don't need to go through another parameters, so I just press on off button to go out from the calibration mode. And we have 1102 here, 0 there, because I moved from there. And that's all. Calibration done. Thanks for watching, guys.